guys, welcome to our channel. The USA has the world's largest international population with more than 1 million students choosing to broaden their education and life experiences in the United States. Nearly 5% of all students enrolled in the high-level education in the USA are international students, and the number are growing. More than 40 years ago, a small group of colleges and universities got together to reimagine the college application process. One application, 15 forward-thinking institutions. What began as an experiment to simplify the admission process has evolved into a global college access movement. This is known as Common App. Today, we will learn everything about it. In this video, we will discuss what is Common Application, what are the benefits of the Common Application, and how to apply. Today, the Common Application is a non-profit organization representing nearly 900 diverse institutions of higher education. Connect the applicant and those who support them to a wide array of public and private colleges and the universities across all 50 US states. If you like our video, make sure to subscribe our channel for more study abroad information. Let's dive into it. Number 1. Gather materials. The first thing to do is gathering the required academic document and the information regarding the applications, personals and academics. Here is what you need to know. Filling out the application takes time, and if you have to keep interrupting your progress to finding information like a certificate of your continuing education, courses and the addresses of your last internship, it can take even longer. Get a head start by collecting this information before you begin. A copy of your high school transcript. In the education section, you will enter your high school grades and current courses. Some colleges also need to self-report your high school transcript. A list of your activities and work and family responsibilities. You can share your interests, who you are outside the classroom in the activities section. You can share information about the things like work, hobbies, clubs and community engagement. And don't forget, family responsibilities can be important to share as well. This is a place to show the college what makes you unique. Test score and the dates from your college entrance exam, SATs and SATs. You may self-report a score for any standardized test in the testing section. Every college has different testing requirements. Some colleges will always need your test score. Other colleges may be flexible and have different optional policy. Be sure to check testing policy of the college of your list. Parent or legal guardian information. Many colleges collect this information in the family section for demographic purpose. They will ask for your parents' occupation, employment status and education level. If applicable, they will also ask which college they have attended and how many degrees they have earned. Academic honors and achievements. This activities section isn't the only place to show your passion and where you excel. You will also have to chance to share any academic honors or achievement from high school. After this step, now it's time to apply. Here you will need an account to launch your application. Number 2, create an account. Get started anytime. Creating a first-year Common App account is easy and should only take few minutes. Choose your registration type. If you are applying to college for first time, you will select the first year select button. Provide your login credential. Make sure to use an email address you check often. This is the email the Common App and the college will use to get in touch with you. Complete your registration information. They will need some basic information about you like your name, home address, phone number and date of birth. Be sure to use your legal name as it appears on official school document. This will make sure college can match documents to the correct person. At the end, you will adjust your communication preference and accept the Common App privacy policy. Select Create Account to complete your account. This is the first step in the college application journey. It's better to apply in multiple colleges. Common App allow you to add multiple colleges. Number 3, add colleges. Start building your My College list. Once you have created your account and explored the college that accept the Common App, you are ready to start adding colleges. The college search tab is where you will search for and add the colleges you want to apply. If you have a school in your mind, you can search by name. If you want to keep exploring, you can use more filter button. Some filter includes state or country, distance from the zip code, enrollment terms, application deadlines, application fee, writing requirements, standardized testing policy, recommendation requirements. Adding a college is easy. You may add a college using in the add button in the search result list. Once you have add college, keep in mind you may only add up to 20 colleges. You may adjust your list of colleges at any time. While some colleges may charge an application fee, others have no application fee, and many will offer a fee waiver under a certain circumstances, including financial need or any fee waiver. Fee waiver, a request to the college to remove the application fee using their common app fee waiver, which is your counselor must confirm, or a college specific fee waiver. You will not be required to pay the fee to submit your application. Number 4. Engage supporter. Collaborate with the counselor, teacher, advisor and others. All colleges need things like official school form. Many colleges will ask for the letter of recommendation. Counselor, teacher and recommender will submit these kinds of forms on your behalf. Here are the types of recommenders you can invite in the common app. Counselors. Counselors share their perspective using the context of the entire graduating class. They will also submit the school reports and the transcript. Parents. Parents will also need to submit a form. If you apply using a college early decision deadline, they will fill out the part of early decision agreement. Teachers. Teachers give you first hand account to your intellectual curiosity and creative thoughts. Other recommenders. Other recommenders are usually non-academic recommenders like coaches, employers and peers. They give insight into your interest and the activities outside the classroom. Advisor. Advisor do not submit any form. They can track and check in on your application progress. Every college gets to choose their own recommendation requirement. You can find more details on each college information page. In general, each college has their own recommendation requirement. For example, one college may need 2 teacher recommendation. Some college may not want any teacher recommendation. College can also determine what kind of other recommender they want. Some may allow for any recommender type, whereas the others only allow an employer recommendation. The next step is the most important section of the common app application process. Sit tight. Number 5. Understanding requirement. Keep track of each college's unique application requirement. It's important to stay organized as you work on your application. Each college needs you to complete common questions and add counselor. Beyond that, their application vary. Each application can determine their unique requirement for deadlines, application fee, personal essay, course and grades, test policy, portfolio, writing supplements, recommendation. Here are some places where you can find each college specific requirement. Explore colleges. Explore colleges profile provides lots of information about the colleges. You can find details on application information, campus, culture, scheduling, visit and more. My colleges. In the My Colleges or College Search tab, you can learn more using the school college information page. Here you can see the requirement for testing, writing, deadlines and more. Requirement grades. The requirement grade is the comprehensive PDF that lists all the colleges that use the common app and their requirements. You can also find the grade within the application. Number 6. Plan essays. Organize and plan your writing prompt. Sometimes writing essay can feel like the biggest part of your application. With little bit of planning, organizing and drafting can tackle this part. Lastly, submit your application. Before submitting your application, make sure to review your application for any mistakes. Submission in 3 steps process. Number 1. Reviewing your application. Number 2. Paying the application fee, which is $65. Number 3. Submit your application. Here are few more reasons why you may choose to study in the USA. That is for today. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment below about the university you are targeting and query related common application. We get back to you. Check out our previous video, subscribe to our channel. Like always, happy learning from my side.